Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add Selenium JAR files to your Eclipse project. First, you'll need to download the Selenium WebDriver JAR files from the official Selenium website. Once downloaded, open your Eclipse IDE and locate the project where you want to use Selenium. Inside your project, create a new folder, typically named lib, and then copy all the downloaded JAR files into this new folder. This organizes your project dependencies neatly. Now let's configure the build path. Right-click on your project in the Package Explorer, then select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, choose Java Build Path from the options on the left. Navigate to the Libraries tab, and then click the Add JARs button. Browse to your project's lib folder, select all the Selenium JAR files you copied earlier, and click OK to add them. This step links the Selenium libraries to your project. To ensure everything is set up correctly, first double-check that all Selenium JARs are listed under your project's Java build path. Next, create a very simple Selenium test script, perhaps one that just opens a browser. Run this test script. If there are no compilation errors and a browser window successfully launches, then congratulations! Your Selenium JAR files are correctly integrated into your Eclipse project, and you are ready to start automating. When troubleshooting, always ensure your Java Development Kit, or JDK, is properly installed and configured. It's also crucial to use compatible versions of Selenium WebDriver and your chosen browser drivers to avoid unexpected issues. For instance, a mismatch can cause your tests to fail. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, regularly updating your Selenium JAR files will give you access to the latest features and bug fixes, keeping your automation robust and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.